Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. And today in this video we are going to see the difference between lubricant and glidant. So what is a lubricant? So first let us see the purpose of the lubricants. In pharmaceutical industry, lubricants are mainly used in tablet formulations to reduce the friction between the tablet material and the machinery during compression, and they prevent the tablet. Lubricant prevent tablet from sticking to the punches and dies of the tablet press. In compression machine, punches will be there, right? Upper and lower punches, and these lubricants are mainly used in the tablet compression machine. Helpful in reducing the friction between the tablets and the parts of the compression machine, like punches and dies of the tablet press. So the following lubricants are used. Example: magnesium stearate, stearic acid, and talc. So main role of lubricant: ensure the tablet making process is efficient and smooth, and preventing mechanical wear and tear on the equipment. So next, what is glidant? So glidants are added to powder blends to improve the flow properties. So lubricant is added to reduce the friction. Glidants are added to improve the flow properties of the powder, reducing interparticle friction. So this ensures that the powder flows smoothly during the tablet formulation, particularly when filling dyes during compression. The examples of glidants include colloidal silicon dioxide, talc, and starch. So, what is the role of glidants? So, they enhance the uniformity of tablet weight and content by ensuring consistent powder flow. So, glidants are very important. So, by this sentence, you can understand. So, what is the role of glidants? They enhance the uniformity of the tablet weight and content by ensuring consistent powder flow, preventing issues like clogging or uneven filling. So what is the key difference between the glidants and lubricants? So while both of them are used to aid in tablet formulation, but lubricants reduce the friction between tablet material and the equipment, where glidants improve flow property of the powder blend to ensure uniformity and prevent clumping during the manufacturing process. This is all the difference between lubricants and glidants, and hope you understand, and see you in the next video with interesting topics. And this is Naveen. I'm Form, and see you in the next video as said before.